In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time and effort in Monday. Let's keep this simple and effective. The goal is to capture hours directly on your board so you can estimate workload, understand progress, and make smarter decisions about priorities and capacity. First, open monday.com and head to the board where you manage this work. In our example, that board is called Trial Management. This is where your items or tasks already live, so adding hours here keeps everything in one place. If your workspace has many boards, use the search bar at the top or browse your workspace sidebar to find it. Open the board so you can see your groups, items, and existing columns. Next, add a new column to the board. Look to the far right of your current columns for the Add Column option, typically displayed as a plus icon. Select it to open the column center. You'll see a range of column types here. If you don't see the option to add columns or it's grayed out, make sure you have permission to edit this board or ask a board owner to grant access so your changes will be saved. Now choose the hour column. This column is designed specifically for tracking effort in hours, making it easy for your team to enter values like 1, 1.5, or 2 to reflect how long a task should take or how long it actually took. Once added, it appears alongside your other columns and is immediately available for every item in the board. You'll be able to scan rows and quickly see the effort associated with each task. A few practical tips will help you get consistent, useful data. Decide as a team whether this column represents estimated hours, actual hours, or both at different stages of the workflow. Keep units consistent. If you plan to log partial hours, use decimals like 0.225, 0.5, or 1.75 across the board. Make sure everyone understands what to enter and when. A short note in your team guidelines or a brief message in your board's updates can go a long way. Consistency is what turns raw entries into meaningful insights you can trust. With the hour column in place, your board becomes more informative at a glance. You can better compare tasks by effort, forecast capacity, and prioritize work with clearer expectations.